How to find archived text message on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can find archived text message on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up your message app on your Android device. After that, you could head over to the profile at the top right once you open up your message app. After you open it, or after you tap on your profile, a menu box will pop up in your interface. If you scroll through it, there's an option as archived, so tap on it, and that's going to open up your archive tab where you can find all of the messages that has been archived from your message application on your Android device. If you want to move that chat back to your inbox, tap and hold on it, and here you could head over to this icon that is for the unarchive. If you tap on it, and now the conversation is unarchived and you will find that message on your inbox piece. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.